Dear student, today we are going to discuss how to determine experimentally the metacentric height of a ship model. This experiment is based on Archimedes' principle, in which the net vertical force applied by the fluid is equal to the buoyant force. And second point is the weight of a body, floating body, is equal to the weight of fluid displaced. Okay, there are three equilibrium conditions for a floating body. Number one, stable equilibrium condition, in which the metacenter point M is above G. Second point, unstable equilibrium, in which the metacenter point M lie below the center of gravity, and for neutral equilibrium condition, the metacenter M lie at the center of gravity. Okay, the distance between metacenter and center of gravity is known as metacentric height, which is represented by Gm. G for center of gravity, M for metacenter, which is given by the formula small w x1 upon small w plus wc into tan theta. Here small w is the weight of unbalanced mass causing the moment on the body. X1 is the distance of the unbalanced mass from the center of the body. Theta is the angle of tilt. You can see the observation table here, in which some parameters is required to calculate the metacentric height. Number one, unbalanced weight, small w in Newton. Second, angle of heel, that is theta in degree. Distance of unbalanced weight x1 in meter. Weight of ship model along the additional unbalanced weight w, and metacentric height in final. You can see here the metacentric height apparatus, in which this is the some tank, some amount of water is filled already for floating of the ship model. This is the ship model. You can see here, this is actually a model in which a scale is attached here. When the unbalanced mass will applied here, then this will rotate some particular angle. This is known as angle of oscillation or angle of heel. We can see here that some amount of water is filled. We are showing the reading in the scale here 23.5 centimeter. Okay, 23.5 centimeter. This is the initial reading. Now what we have to do here, we will put this ship model in this sump tank, and the level of water will rise here. Okay, why we are doing here? Because we have to calculate the weight of the ship model. We don't know the weight of ship model, we have to calculate this. How we will calculate? We know that specific weight of ship model, specific weight is weight of fluid upon volume of fluid. Okay, then we calculate from this, weight of ship model is specific weight into volume of fluid, and specific weight, as we know, specific weight or fluid is 9810. Okay, and we will multiply this specific weight to the volume of fluid. Now we have to calculate the volume of fluid. The volume of fluid, how we will calculate? 25.5. Rise in water level multiply this cross-sectional area of this sump tank. Okay, then we will multiply to the specific weight, then we can calculate the weight of the ship model. We have to calculate and design the ship model and the prototype also for the stable equilibrium condition. and it is very necessary for stable equilibrium condition that the meta center should be above the center of gravity. So we have to calculate the meta center. Now what we have to do, we are checking that it is stable equilibrium position or not. For that I am putting the weight here from center of gravity. This is the line of center of gravity. Normal. This is the normal axis. This is the normal axis, which is the center line, center vertical line, and this is scale. There is no oscillation over here because this is no disturbing mass here, no disturbing couple here. Now I am putting this half kg mass. This half kg mass from some particular length. This okay. So here is scale mark for 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter. From this to this mark, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am putting this half kg mass 8 centimeter, that is x1 from this normal axis. I am putting here. Now this pointer scale is shifted towards left, which is showing the angle of heel theta. So we can read out here after stable condition that this 5-degree angle of oscillation, that is angle of heel. So in the column of angle of heel we are mentioning 5-degree. Okay, angle of heel we can mention here 5-degree, and unbalanced weight we put over here half kg, but this is in Newton. So what we have to do, multiply 9.8, so then we can find the weight. Okay, and distance of unbalanced weight x1, that is here 8 centimeter. Okay, this is 8 centimeter. Now we can calculate it already, we have calculated already the weight of ship model by multiplying the rise in water level and cross sectional area of the sump tank, and with. Now come to calculation part. First, weight of ship model. So there is a formula, area into rise in water level, that is y2 minus y1, and omega, that is specific weight of water. So cross-sectional area is given for the sump tank, that is 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter, that is 2500 centimeter square, and we can convert this in meter square, that is 0.25 meter square. And final reading after placing the ship model in the sump tank, that is y2, and initial reading before placing the ship model, that is y1. The difference after placing and before placing, that is rise in water level, y2 minus y1 is 25.5 minus 23.5, that is 2 centimeter. Okay, now specific water we know 9810, and we can calculate weight of ship model now, that is area 0.25 into rise in water level 2 centimeter converted into meter, that is 0.02 into specific weight 9810. Answer is 49 Newton. This is the weight of ship model, and in kg we can also convert it by dividing 9.81, gravitational acceleration 9.81. We can find here the mass of ship model, that is 5 kg. Okay, now the reading we have taken for unbalanced weight half kg, angle of heel was 5-degree, distance of unbalanced mass 8 centimeter, and weight of ship model calculated 5 kg or 49 Newton. So by applying the formula, we calculate here the metacentric height is approx 15 centimeter. Sometimes in taking weight there is inaccuracy due to unbalance of ship model. So plus minus 2 variation, plus minus 2 centimeter variation is desirable. So it may be 13 to 17. It may vary when you are taking the reading. Okay, similarly we can the second observation for unbalanced weight 1 kg, For that, angle of heel is 8 degree, and distance and place again same distance. We are placing the weight 8 centimeter distance, and model weight is same 49 Newton. And for this reading, the metacentric height is 15.3. So we can take here average, and there is the observation error plus minus 2. So this will be the your final answer.